I think I found you. Was it really? Oh, f you. Something super cool dropped off at the shop this morning. We got a new body style Chevy 2500 getting a 12-inch all red Cognito today, and some 20s. No, these are 30s. It's got 30s going on it. That's cool. What's cool about this build is we did a dually very similar to this probably a year ago or more. I'm gonna drop a clip for you guys so you guys can see it. Finish up the 12-inch, 30-inch Forgiatos and 42-inch Furies going on this. But we got some 42s and some 30-inch Forgiatos going on this red 12-inch Cognito today, which is super cool, super exciting. Great way to start the day off. We got a 2024 2500 getting a 5-inch BDS and some 26s in the shop right now. So a couple of cool builds at the shop this morning. Super excited for the day. Look at this thing. I don't know why I'm not a big old school truck fan. I don't know about y'all, but this one I'm definitely excited about. Whoa! When you do the broom! You should just drop it. I'm just kidding. Don't drop it. I ain't scratching nothing. Oh no.
Just stand around and not do nothing.
Yeah.
It's cool.
We dropped the lift kit off a couple weeks ago to get powder coated. It was black, now it is red. We're doing a red lift kit on our red truck. I gotta go get the phone, sorry. Tell me about the wheels that we're doing today. They look heavy.
2s on 30s.
How much this truck gonna be cut? 30s and 42s.
Now this.
I think I found your. I think I found your leak. Jeez, lady, I didn't need any more water though. Was there soap in it? Was there really? Oh, f you. I didn't know there was soap in it. Well, John, give me a hug. John, give me a hug.
No.
This is behind the scenes of filming the videos for the channel. I didn't know that there was soap in it either. That's good. That's good content. Pull it out right there. Beautiful. Guys, we're gonna take a break from the red truck so I can tell you about today's sponsor. The sponsor of today's video is LASFIT. LASFIT has just come out with their new T3 series LED turn signal replacement bulbs. Wow, that's a mouthful. And we're gonna be installing them in the truck today. For years, I've tried to find a good LED replacement switchback bulb instead of running an all white, just cheapy from AutoZone, for lack of a better term. So LASFIT sent me these to throw in the truck. We're gonna pop off the engine cover, take the grill off, take the headlight out, 2 easy plug and play LED bulbs for each side of the truck, and bam, there you go. On the right, I have LASFIT's T-Series LED switchback, off-brand on the left. Even sitting in direct sunlight, I can see an immediate difference. The quality from the off-brand is nothing close to what the quality that LASFIT offers on these new T3 series bulbs. I will have a link below if you guys want to check out the new bulbs from LASFIT. They've got a lot of other options on their websites for trucks just like this. Interior lights, tag lights, headlight bulbs, turn signal bulbs. They even have floor mats on the website for most vehicles. LASFIT is a company that I've been been working with for years. I'm gonna put a clip in here so you guys can see it. I put a set of LASFIT bulbs on one of my trucks years and years and years ago. So when they came out with these new bulbs, I had to be one of the first to get them. So shout out to LASFIT for sponsoring today's video. We will always love you and will always be a part of the bread gang. Let's get this bread, baby.
See you, Slick Nick.
Nick!
Get on film, bro.
You know he just stuck his hand down his pants, dude.
It's called a slap. Hey, I'm gonna bring some flowers tomorrow, and when comes, I'm giving them to her and say they're from you.
Bro, John, he's never gonna use that spare, bro.
Well, guess what? That's where it was, and that's where it's going back.
He's never gonna use that spare. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you like putting these lift kits on?
These? A 20.
20?
Yeah.
20 out of 10?
Yeah.
Compared to, what's your least favorite?
Boys.
Nah, you're lying.
Yeah.
Get out of here, trash.
I'm just playing Max Track.
Max Track?
Yeah.
He said it, not me.
I don't think it's gonna be that bad.
You got that mess I'm cleaning up. I'm just gonna home.
No, you ain't.
Come here. Go on.
Do it.
How are you feeling, buddy?
Because look, I just pulled it back and let it go the whole way, and it wasn't that bad.
Do it.
Yeah. Yeah, see, that wasn't that bad.
I told you wouldn't break no goddamn.
That wasn't as bad as I thought it'd be. It broke my nails, but
It did break your nail?
a little bit.
I need my OGs on the channel, or any of my OGs on the channel that remember me working at Cadillac, to drop a comment below, because I've got something cool to show you guys. I've always been a fan of the new Escalades ever since they came out, and Trip, good customer of ours and the owner of the Cruising Cognito show, brought in this Escalade for us to do a leveling kit and some 24s on, and I absolutely love the way that this truck turned out. So much so that I feel like I had to put it in the video. 2024 Escalade with this beautiful like forest green, like lighter forest green color, some 24-inch Vossen wheels and some 35-inch Nitto Recon grapplers. Like I said, I love the way that this looks. Super clean, super simple, 24s, 35s, barely a little bit of trimming, but those Escalades are so freaking nice that I just had to throw this in a video for a second.
I can't zoom in that far.
Look, got a little bow tie back there. That's cool. Do that to me. Brandon said this truck drives really good. Bro.
Don't want to help. Me and Corbin doing all.
John's 100% right. Let y'all build the truck and I film it afterwards.
Yeah.
Y'all do all the hard work.
Got a 12-inch.
Do you like 12-inch better or 6-inch? You don't want to answer that one. What? No inch. What are you trying to show me right now? That gut you got? John, hop in the truck, let's go! Ah, come on! Bet, get in.
The bed of, Brandon said it, I had the truck down on the lift on 4 tires, we can go bowling.
Really?
Yeah, so now we can go bowling.
So we're going bowling now.
Yeah.
We gotta film that. Little shop bowling trip. Customer wanted to keep all the old parts. Not everybody wants to keep their old parts. So spindles, U-bolts, old shocks, wheels and tires. Whoa! Whoa! There. John's gonna be my camera guy today. John, look, I gotta tell you something.
Yeah, Key.
So, the guy that texted me, remember you picked the winner of the giveaway, right?
Yeah.
So I messaged that guy on Instagram a couple days ago. Let me know in the comments if we should do more giveaways coming up soon. I gave away $100 a couple videos ago. And if you guys want me to do more giveaways, let me know. I texted him, I said, hey, this is Alex. He said, the man himself. I asked him what he was doing. He said, just chilling at work. And I'm like, well, what's your Cash App? I'm trying to give you some money. He said, chilling at work, not working like John, basically, is what he said. I'm not lying.
Ooh.
And I said, what you use Venmo, Zelle? I'm trying to get you paid. He said, make sure it comes out of John's check. So this $100 is coming out of John's check. But
okay.
We're gonna pull the truck up front so we can show you guys the finished product today. And I kind of wanted to drive the truck around the parking lot and just see how it drives. And all these new trucks drive so beautifully when they're lifted. It's got so much power, so just, you would think they're so hard to drive, but it's the complete opposite. It really feels stock other than just being a little bit bigger. Come on. I know I've been, look, I'm gonna expose myself real quick. I know I've been putting on some weight. I know, I've been eating good, okay? We're working on this. This is a stain. It's not boob sweat, I swear. It's a stain, I swear. But look, 2020, I don't even know what year truck this is. I'm gonna call it 21. Oh, Jesus. 2021 Chevy 2500. We did a full all red 12-inch Cognito. Absolutely love the 12-inch Cognito. Shout out to Jeff Berry. We did an all black one on Jeff Berry's truck a couple months ago. And this one got some 30 by 16s and 42. So we got the, I don't even know what red this is. I would assume it's like a fire truck red. We got your beautiful cross member that Cognito has, which makes them a little more iconic in the industry the most. That kind of cross is a super nice cross member. And the red is obviously a beautiful color. And the Cognito kit comes with the control arm. I love the Cognito upper control arms. Beautiful, beautiful. Comes with the front bars. We didn't do traction bars on this one, so it's a pretty basic kit, but being this big makes it just cool in itself. Get them angles. Yeah, little torsion drop action for you boys. Little torsion drop action. 30 by 16 FORGIATOS with the chrome spike lug nuts and 42s. You guys would not believe how amazing this truck drives for being so big, and we always appreciate our returning customers. Like I said earlier in the video, he did a dually with us at one point. Now he's back to do the 2500. So I'm hoping he comes and picks it up with the dually so we can have both of them together, because he said he still has it, but I guess we'll see. What do you think? What do you think?